Hey everyone, we got a taco feast today. Nice giant tray of tacos. Got soft tacos and hard tacos. All kinds of toppings already on them. This is sour cream that I put in a Ziploc bag. Cut the tip off of it. So I can make my own tacos. Ooh, yeah. These are gonna be yummy. Here, look. I just finished making these. I was so hungry. Ready to eat. Tacos are life, bro. This is a feast. My special sauce comes out all squiggly. These taco shells, I don't really like them. They're not the crunchiest. Wow. Just up a bunch of them. I like all kinds of toppings. There's shredded cheese, shredded lettuce, tomato, onion, jalapeno, and salsa. Oh, my sides hurt. Probably slept on it wrong. It's a nice quiet day today. Drinking cherry Coke today. You guys know I love you, right? You know it never hurt you. It's just not crunchy. I don't understand. Maybe they got old really fast. Who knows? I didn't think I had them on my fridge that long. I've been waiting to make tacos for a long time, I guess. And flour tortillas taste fine. But the taco shell ones are not crunchy like I like, and it's making me sad. But that's okay. I set these half-eaten tacos aside because I'll just take their fillings out. Because I have some Doritos in there, I'll just make a taco salad out of those. Why not? That'll be my leftover salad. So, drinking cherry Coke. That kind of went up my nose. You guys know I always have like some snacks for you to try. Found some new stuff today. These are probably really good. Nerds Crunchy Big Chewy Candy. And then I found these Neon Lifesaver Gummies. I've never tried either one of these. Looks like there's strawberry, orange, lemon, and grape flavor. Bold berry, orange pop, pink punch, cherry lime splash, electric lemonade. That sounds fire. That cherry lime splash. It tastes like a cherry limeade. We'll open those later. Let's get back to the tacos. So, this week, instead of watching Shane Dawson videos and Nikocado avocado videos and Jake Paul and Logan Paul videos, I'm gonna try and do some work in my office because I need to. Oh, yeah. This is dessert. Let's see if we can get you a shot. Oh, it's so big and... Ooh, it smells yum. Cherry cheesecake. It's a cherry cheesecake. Gotta get the taco taste off the spoon. Oh, this is good. Put a little cherry on top. Oh, dropped it. Come on, cherry. Mm. Yes. That is good. Mm. 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 That is yummy. Let me get a few more bites, actually. Mm. That cherry cheesecake was super delish. Oh, those look weird. Wow. That's interesting. I'll show you what they look like. Like little eggs. And they have these like little bumps all over them. That first bite is crunchy, but in the middle is a chewy, like jelly bean almost. It's like jelly bean center with Nerds crunchy outside. But a jelly bean center almost tastes like a Starburst. You're good. It's really good. Let's try these gummies. I love the smell of gummies. See all the colors? Pick out some so you can see them. They're really cool looking. I like the colors. This one's like fused together. That's cool. Pink. Blue. Those are cool. It's like weird. How do you get neon candy, you know? Well, that was fun. I enjoyed the Nerds. That's a cool new candy. Thoughtful portion, 10 pieces, 55 calories. Who knows what my daily intake is? Well, at least I got a few tacos for later. I saved a few here on the end. Make a little taco salad out of the ones that have the hard shell that I don't like. Maybe next time I make tacos, I'll make sure my taco shells are crispy. So that was kind of a bummer, but oh well. It was still delicious, and my tummy is full. I hope you all had something to eat too, because that was delicious. I think I'm gonna take a nap now because it's my day off. I have nothing to do. I have no money. I have to go to work tomorrow, so I might as well just drink the rest of this soda. And burp myself to sleep. Good night, YouTubers. You Don Fizzlers, have a good evening. And try to check me out next time. Maybe I'll do a mukbang in my toy room, like I keep saying. Have a great day, guys. Bye.